We're back. And hold above 6. Seller back over 6. Seller at 6. Not looking too good. No. E7 is that low. New candle is important here if it's going to change the ties of the move. Let's see. I'll get in here. Oh, 9. You got me in on the way down. Yeah, this is not good. Got me in on the way down. Ugh. Don't like that. That's a problem about pre-market. It is going to be tough. And I get into these situations quite often. I get filled on the way down because my order is on the book. Price goes up, bid comes down, I get filled with people trying to exit. So maybe we could get a target up here. $8. Man, still hold the 80s, 90s. $17. If you're generous, there might be a little pullback around 40. Not a chance, bro. So hard to catch these, you know? So you gotta jump in right there in the 50s. Mm, that's insane. Let's see, get a bit. Maybe about 7, perhaps. Should it be strong? But maybe it'll be strong. Maybe a little more opportunity. It's a seller there. So it just showed up at 7. Let me get a nice dib though. I was looking for a little bit more. Didn't seem like 90s was going to be the spot. I'm thinking it's going to be a little lower. Here we go. The previous low is 83. Hmm. Yeah, I just gotta take it. $79. That's a good fill, I guess. People are exiting. Yeah, let's do this. This might actually be a good trade here. So, next candle, I needed to get over 715. Yeah, nice. All right there, 30s. Okay, cool. So, got that nice bounce there in the 30s. Got something good out of this stock. 18 and 29. Good, now what? No, 35 there. Hmm. We have an $8 target. $7.18. Might be a dip here when this candle closes in 2 minutes. I mean, I would like it to fold 760 at least halfway through this. Or 650s. 650s. 70s. There it is, 50s. Don't break me. No, I'm getting break. I'm getting smoked there, 10 cents. The bounce was a little bit scary. I mean, considering I'm in at 59. I saw 50s and I thought we'd get a bounce right away. That's all right. That's all right. 10 cents off the top. Might be it for this thing. Are we gonna get this move? This would be pretty crazy here. How well you're gonna hold this level? It's gonna be one of those things. No. Tried it. Maybe I rushed that a bit. Ah, wow. HLGH. Now it's the one right here. Shoot. It's hard to catch this, huh? 20 seconds. We'll see how well you're gonna hold. At least 720s. 720s. Jeez. Let me see. 30s. Other choice is just to keep it tight. Let me see. The low that was 37. Forties. So we got a move here, potentially. Can we get a dip here, 37? Like we did last time. 37 to 70. 704. There's a seller right there. I'm in at 32. Mm, The tides are turning though. Could be good. Okay, cool. Oh no. Out. We're out. Ah, here goes my day on this thing. It's impossible. I can't. It's not impossible. It's just very difficult to trade this. I mean, I'm trying to get out like in the 30s, 20s, but ended up getting out 14. Like, what the heck, man? You know? Pullbacks are tough. That's for sure. Hmm. Mm. Light volume on that green candle. That's kind of annoying, isn't it? Back to 37. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Did get a nice dip here. Oh, dip right there. 7. You ain't gonna fail. Seller there at 10. There are buyers at 660, kind of like in the tape, just waiting for a flush. Yeah, these algos are smart, man. These algos are very smart. These algos are very smart. Lots of buyers here. Could hold 7. That's the thing. Could hold 7. It's holding well. Nice held 7 there. All right, here comes the open in 30 seconds. Let's see what we're gonna get. So we got a possible gap and go here on this guy. So take a little bit of size here because we're gonna get to be more nimble on these moves. So 750s. There's a seller there. We could take a dip here, 660s. Seems like a reasonable plan. I need to chase this guy, bro. Is it a chase? Is it a chase? No, not yet. Let it shake people out. Once it shakes people out, there might be an opportunity there. So right there, once it goes to 70, to 40, to 50, now to 60. There's a buyer there. So looking for this move. So let's see what it's going. Let's see what it wants to do. Staying patient. No reason to throw shares yet. It doesn't want to dip. 2 topping wicks. It doesn't want to dip. Oh, there's the dip. Okay. Okay, let's say we got this one as well. 88. Might get a nice move to $2. $88. I'll take this one here. Volume is lighter? What's going on? Volume is so light. Okay, not in a rush to trade anything yet. I'm thinking the volume is going to be good, but the volume is so light on this. What's the flow? Oh, 18 million flow. Of that. 18 million float. BRTX. How about BRTX? $41, $42. Possible trade here. It's a red cap on the 5-minute. Don't like that, honestly. Get out of this gap. Get out of this gap and I'll trade it. Okay, here we go. ASTS. Possible move here. Let's see what it wants to do after this. Those dips are very quickly. Those dips are quick, bro. Those dips are quick. You know? Okay, I'll take that. Mm, no, I'll get off here. Not sure about that. Low that is 710. Maybe a little low here. Yep, 20s, 25. Mm, I like this red to green though. Oh no, that's awful. Okay, that was awful. How did it get out 702 on that? Right. Well. Right, two trades here. Low quality on both of them. 32 to 15. I'll wait for something better. Try this one more time. 693 is right there. 30 seconds here. It's going though. I don't want to chase this nonsense, bro. Looks like you gotta chase this silly nonsense. 40. This nonsense, man. You gotta get on it quick when it goes up. You gotta get on it quick. Dips that take too long, and that's kind of my style, but that's not gonna work. So right now, momentum is in. I'll get in here. 43. You see, yeah, I don't like this lingering here, you know? It's lingering there. It's just like I just don't know how to trade this, bro. I'm just gonna lose money if I keep trading that. It was here, like if it just gave a little moment for an entry, I'd be banking on this thing, dude, but looks like I gotta chase it quicker. Okay, here we go. Maybe there's a dip here. 18. There was a dip. 18 to 93. Yeah, dip right there. Not a sink, it seems like. What's going on here? QTTB. when it's slow like this, it's difficult to get a read on it. But I know I can do it, bro. I know I can do it. Hmm. Dang, look at that, 60s. 60s was an area where I saw buyers, but I don't have to set up there. I could just be, mm, sucks to lose that much on this thing. I also have like 70 on it. I turn it around. QTTB. QTTB was kind of promising low volume though. I don't know. It's announced its 55 for replacement financing. Take a dip. Will there be another dip in the all down is 992? Two bottoming wicks did not do it there. So we're gonna look for a gap here. Yeah, two bottoming wicks did not do it there. So there's that gap is strong. So we're gonna see how this is gonna hold. This dip is gonna hold. 33, 24 is that? Wow. Just went for it. Dang. Missed that as well. I mean, I don't have an entry. Like, where do I need something? You need to have a read of where these algos are sitting, man. Because it's algo driven today. All strictly algo driven. Strictly algo driven. So there could be a dip down there. These if the dip algos are sitting right there. It says in one of those 42, but I don't didn't quite see it. 930. I'll get in here, 46, 47. In at 45. No, I think I'm gonna get cooked on these dips, man. I'm getting cooked on the dips. No thanks. All right. Down 187. Nothing is working for me today. QTTB not doing it. BRTX might actually be the one. Just gotta wait for my setup to hit, you know? Wait for my setup to be the one. BRTX. Looking for a dip to hold, man. You know? A dip doesn't hold, and it's like there's no trending. Nothing will be trending if a dip doesn't hold. $43. Let's see this. 44.9. Seen the spike of volume, but it needs to happen now. Here we go. Sellers stacked right there. Sellers are stacked right there. Okay, it goes. All right, all right, all right, all right. Fair enough, fair enough. Fair enough. 45.80. Okay, fair enough. I had a good trade. Let's see if we can get a nice dip here. 47, 46. We'll break a 50. Buyers right there, 48. 47. 48. 48 keeps holding. Gonna have to be a little aggressive here at the top of this gap if it doesn't want to come down. Massive buyers. Let's go. Massive buyers at the top of that gap. Yep, yep. Come on, come on. Stop is flat, needs to go. Needs to go, doesn't go. Okay, massive buyer showed up there. It didn't actually go. Let's look for a dip 46. Oh, there's buyers there, but I don't think it's pushing the tape up. It's pushing the level 2. Not get this loss get out of hand, that's for sure. So, what's it gonna be? If 80s doesn't hold, is this gonna be a dip? Forty-eight keeps holding. 49. There it is. Ah, don't want to scalp, but it's gonna go. Didn't want to scalp it, but it's gonna go. Ah, and I sold too soon too. Oh my goodness, look at that. Sold at 52. Okay, dang it. Ah, yeah. Should have just accepted the fact that I had to chase it. I had to chase it at 49, which was sort of my strategy, right? I'm in there at 49. First 1 minute candle to make a new high. A gap and go, but it just sold 52. So what's the plan here, you know? Like, it's the plan here. So if this could keep going to 60, so I might get a dip somewhere. QTTB also going. Want to get a trade in here. 952, 52.9. Ah, dang it. 52.5. Yeah, I'm gonna have to see what I can get with this. Yeah, that's not good. Dang. All right. Dips do not work on this thing. 50. Bro, okay. Watching this. This could actually give a nice move here. Stop will be $7. Looking for this dip. Looks like the dip came there, but I'll wait a little more to wait for the next handle. Oh, over 36. Mm, this looks good. This looks really good. So we might get another dip here. Last attempt for shorts to get out. I'll get in there. Aye, 703. Okay. 703. 703. 703. 703. Bit of a risky one there. Bit of a risky one there. Might get out here. Okay, down 240. I think I'm not trading in a good zone today. Looks like we got 57 here. What's it gonna be? Gonna get a dip here, 58, 8. There was a dip, 58, 60, holding 60. We may retest here. 57 stop. Let's see it. 58. Nice, 50, 61. Let's see. Might hold 60. Might actually hold 60. I don't know, any stuff. For BRTX, let's take small size here. Let's see if we can get this move. 65, is that high? Previous high 65. Let's see it. 57 is holding. Pretty candle here. Are you gonna hold? 66, 65. No, can't take that. Cannot take that. Cannot take that. All right, what do we got here? We get to see a dip here, 70s. Hey, I buy it right here, 690s. What happens? Seller shows up. Seller there. All goes. All those are 7. Seller there. I need to see the bigger dip. This thing is just so awful, man. It's just hard to even get a trade in this. Where do you even start? I mean, I just want to follow my process. If it's gonna show up, it'll show up. See the whole VWAP thing is, are you gonna actually hold VWAP? Wanted to see a bigger dip under VWAP. VWAP is 681. Back to 690. They're buyers. 650. What's it gonna be? I want to be able to see it and be like, yep, that's the one. Nothing like that has shown up today for me. Nothing like that yet. It doesn't, this one, let me see. Doesn't really dip though, like a lot of nice bottoming wicks, but let's say, okay, looks like that was good. to be in a trade to wake me up a little bit. 705 is that low. 724. Good chase at 24. $7. $705. Mm, You're gonna squeeze shorts though? You've been trapping all day. All day you've been trapping. All right, looks like we may break 8 here. So let's take a dip. Well, that was 74. That's what I thought. I could not for the life of me catch anything today, man. Yeah, 5 more minutes. Here we go. Dip under 9. I'm gonna buy it. 940. Not a chance, bro. 762. Not a chance. We're the freak to even get in here. What's this low? 53. It's like insta buy. Insta buy. So maybe dip a 9. I'll take less size. I want to catch it on the way down when the momentum is peak sell-off. Bro, this is so annoying, man. The most annoying thing. Yeah. Well, I don't think shorts are out of this yet. I think we're gonna see another squeeze, possibly over 10, $12. So we got a high there, 1050. Can we get over 10? Get over 10 and then start making some progress here. If not, I'm gonna look for a dip down here. 9. Yeah, $9. Do you think shorts are not yet out of trouble? They're not yet out of trouble, so here we go. Dang, this is gonna be pretty fast here. I'll get in there 24. There it is. 20, I'm in at 22. 42. No, it's already getting you can tell like it went to 20, it went to 42 back down again, so that this is not the one. That's not the one. I've been caught in so many of those already. So looking for a dip now. $9. 22 to 42, then back to 22. It's gonna hold 10. Okay, back there again. Why did I have to do all that? Like, why did you have to do all that, bro? Like this price action, like, can I just get a nice move? 1050 has a lot of sellers. I'm about to squeeze these sellers, man. Beautiful right there, bro. It's just gonna be grinding, it seems like. You're gonna be grinding over 10. I wish this one at least held, you know, that area. Now this thing is just going to push. Shorts are getting a little bit uncomfortable here, so I'm gonna have to take a dip under. I'll take it 70s. Push these shorts out of the way, bro. Come on. Get these shorts out of the way. Nah, out. Out, 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 out. Taking too long there. There's a seller. Seller, big seller at 90s. Or like 87, 90, yeah. They try to go in there, but no. Not gonna get baited there. Not looking to get baited. Again, it's not clean. $57. Last time I took a dip into the gap, it just kept going lower. Not sure either. Okay, that was sweet. Sweet, sweet, sweet. 60. Mm, white, white. So it's moving a little slower. There could be a move here though. All right, do you have the power? Do you have the room? Massive red gap here though. That's gonna be tough to get through. We can give it a try. We'll give it a try. Nah, it's a low quality setup. How about here? Nah, this thing is dropping. Dropping pretty fast. All right, that was fun. Man, this is absolutely insane what this is happening right now. 438, 1438, that is. 200 shares. I mean, looks weak up there. Yeah, that looks pretty weak. Pretty weak. Dang. All right, what's it going to be? 10 seconds here. We're assuming flat. Should we take a dip down to 12? Straight hold down. Dip, dip, bro. Can you give a dip? 1438 was the hold level. There's a buyer there. 1584. I mean, these moves are already pretty insane. We need to size down. Bro. There were sellers all the way up to the hold level. This thing is nuts. Dip 1486. I mean, I watched it here. I thought it would fail here. Didn't even see this. This is not the place. This is definitely not the area. Maybe a dip, like this one. I just wish I could catch something like this. I think these two stocks are sort of trading the same way. They were for a second, and I think maybe we could get something going. Dang, bro. All right. All right. Let's find a trade to $20, shall we? Shall we find a trade to $20? Shall we find a trade to $20? I think that 70s, 80s was the spot. First, you can now watch level 2 on this thing. Okay, so then I might trade this one then. The level 2, watching the level 2 is killing me. All right, looks like we are. I am done. I am done. I absolutely butchered a beautiful day, and it feels like crap. So they started with one little winner here, I guess. My biggest winner. A gap and go. What did I do? 28. Why didn't I keep holding this? I think I was just too nervous. Yeah, this one too gave some good opportunities. Nah, man, it's just grindy. Maybe here. Dang. All right, moving on. Next, LGHL. Dip into the gap. Out 51, 47, 47. How much did I take on it? 600 shares. Uh, yeah, it looks like it was 600 shares. Wow. So nervous. This is my first trade of the day. Buy it, immediately get cooked on this. I could have sold this early, like 21, I think. Immediately getting cooked, $20. QTTB at the open. Bought that dip. Trying to get something on it. Low 33. Yeah. Get caught on the pullback. No bounce on the, yeah, no bounce on the 1 minute on the fair value gap. No bounce. BRTX. What do we do here? We got some moves here. Um, 44. Why did I sell this? I didn't have to sell this. I had to keep holding on to this. Bought here, sold for a loss. Then try to do it again. I mean, I shouldn't have sold. I just kept holding this. Move to 8, move to 55. Dang it, man. Bought here, sold flat, and that ended up going. So, story of my life today. Just buy and sell flat. Buy, sell for a small gain. And just like not being able to make money on anything today. I don't know. My mentality is off today. Maybe I'm just tired. Anyway, ASTC was the best stock today. What did I do? So try to go here. Stopped out. That's perfect. That's okay. Good. Good trade. Find a dip. No, not working. Well, I know I have to risk here to 17, so I don't know why that I just sell. I mean, I either got to know I'm risking to 17 or don't buy at all. You know? So I gotta stick to my rules there. I gotta stick to my rules. So buy right there, gap and go. No, get get caught. Buying on the gap. Nope, getting caught. Getting caught. 704. Yeah. I mean, I gotta hold to my gap. The days are important that I hold, I don't hold it. So it comes to the open and double buy. I don't want to double buy. I'm double buying. Actually, I just released a new feature, so check this out. So I can expand this. You can see it side by side. It's actually a really great feature in Mr. Profit. So come check it out, create your account, and check out this cool feature. So bought right there, 35.23. Like, why? You know your stop is 80, 680. So if you know it's gonna be down here, the potential of coming all the way down here, just stick with it. So higher this is no, not 680, it's 710. Might as well take that, 25-cent loss instead of taking two trades and both of them are losses. Anyway, took it again, got wrecked on it. Bought this thinking, okay, it's gonna go now. Wrecked one more time. This one's difficult because I guess this is fine because I'm looking for something quick. I'm looking for this to keep going because the low of the gap is too low at this point. So I'm looking for just this quick dip and a squeeze. Buying here, buying the gap, not working either. Then missing all of this, missing this. This is what I was looking for here. Was it here or here? I looked at it in both in here and here. Should have just tried it, bro. Should have just tried it, man. That would have been a completely different day. 400 shares. Let's go. Whatever. Boom into hold up from the low of 770 all the way up to 880. So dollar a share right there. Man. And then that would have given me more confidence to take a look at this and be in the zone. Anyway, try something. Nothing there, bro. I guess I get stuffed out. Might as well get stuffed out, right? Try one more time here, get stuffed out. And then this thing just goes without me. Wow, what a lame day. What a lame day. Sucks. I feel like crap. It sucks to lose this much on a hot day. Um anyway, gotta keep it tight. Tomorrow again, we'll try to get a good day. Big green days are ahead of me. Big green days are ahead of me. I know that for sure. So I gotta commit to the trades and I gotta trade them well. Anyway, That's it for me. Up 633 in the month. Come over to Mr. Profit, create your account. Try it for free, 7-day free trial. Watch our demo. Free trading analytics tool. So add a file. Export your file from Thinkorswim, upload it, and you'll basically see this here. This is the best view. The best view. Actually, let me see. What did I do? What was my accuracy? 36% accuracy. Why is my accuracy so bad in my red days? My accuracy is so bad on my red days, you know? Accuracy was 36 also yesterday. Jeez. But my accuracy was 72 on Friday. And I was killing it Friday. But it just sucked today, bro. Green to red today. Sucks. Okay, well, anyway, that's the view you'll see. Just wanted to show you that view for today, but that's the view you'll see. Very helpful view. What else? So yeah, check out our pricing, $5 a month, 50 a year. Join us and let me know what you think. So come over to also the Discord. We have a community there. It's growing. It's got more users now, so keep joining us and we'll talk about trading. It's absolutely for free. So the community is for free. Anyway, see you guys tomorrow with better action.